In this video, we are going to discuss forward cover versus money market cover. Now, forward cover we have discussed in our earlier video, that is the process of hedging. Money market hedge is simply, you can say, a further step towards the interest rate parity. In interest rate parity, we have taken elements such as forward rate by spot rate is equivalent to the interest rate differential factor. So I call this money market hedge is locking the spot rate. Now, one basic thing we all know is that whenever we have receivable, then higher the better, and whenever there is payable, then lower the better. In our earlier videos, we have discussed what is the role of forward cover or forward contract in the foreign exchange market. So whenever there is foreign currency payable, in order to avoid the risk or uncertainty, I buy the foreign currency payable forward contract. And whenever I have foreign currency receivable, I sell the foreign currency receivable forward. So that was the forward contract or hedging via forward contract. Now moving further, let's discuss that what is money market hedge. It is a technique for hedging foreign exchange risk using money market, that is money market instruments, the short-term instruments like treasury bills, government securities, bankers' acceptance, commercial papers, etc. So that is the money market hedge definition. Now in this example, there is an Indian exporter who has foreign currency receivable. Now amount is equals to $100. Now receivable is there, so higher the better. A spot rate is provided. Interest rate, that is if interest rate is given to us 10%, interest rate on dollar is 5% per annum, and 1 year forward rate is 41. Now all these elements we have also dealt in the interest rate parity, so it is quite similar, or you can say these elements are same elements are used in interest rate parity also. Now the first option is, now receivable, always receivable, the higher the better, and I have the fear of foreign currency falling. So I hope that you remember, whenever I have fear of foreign currency falling, that is I have receivable, then I will sell the forward contract, and in case of forward contract, the amount receivable would be rupees 4100. But now I am going to discuss about the money market cover, that is blocking the spot rate. Now what is all this about? So let's first discuss, it is a 3-step process. So step 1 is calculating the present value of the amount to be borrowed. Here you can see we have $100 receivable, so the present value is 95.24. So first, if I am having receivable, then I will borrow that amount. Now, so first step is to calculate the present value. Now the second is, the amount that I have borrowed, that is the PV of 95.24, I will sell and convert this into the home currency, and then this amount that I have converted into home currency, I will invest at the rate of 10%. So the amount receivable will be 4190. Now you can see in this question the money market hedge is better because 4190 is more as compared to 4100. So there are 3 steps in money market hedge or money market cover when we have receivable. Number 1 step is to calculate the present value of the borrowing or borrow the PV of foreign currency receivable. Step 2, convert foreign currency into home currency. Step 3, invest the home currency, and when foreign currency is received, then repay the amount borrowed. Thank you.